Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. I have something very interesting, a new way you can use to make money online, and it's actually based on Instagram. If you have an Instagram account, you can use this brand new method. It's actually a training that has just been released, and you can use it. You can pick it up and learn it, and then use it to make money on Instagram. And the best thing is, you can do this without running ads, without spending a single penny on ads or investing on anything. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today, on how you can make money on Instagram without paying for ads, just using free traffic. So if you are just new to my channel, my name is John Anaviolore. I create products on WordPress, and I also promote vendors products where I earn affiliate commissions. If that's your niche, that's what interests you, please go ahead and follow me up, add me as friend on Facebook. I'm going to accept your friend request. And if you have any question for me related to internet marketing, making money online, building an online business, feel free to add me up on Facebook, and let's connect together so we can actually share idea and get into profits together. So let me head over to what I have today. So today it's actually a product that just been launched recently. The name of the product is Gram Grants. Yes, Gram Grants. So it's actually a complete case study, like a video, step-by-step video training on how that's going to show you how you can make money on Instagram using free traffic. Yes, using free traffic on Instagram. Even if you're having a brand new account, or you created your account last week or last month or less than 2 months, you can just pick up this training, learn what's inside Gram Grants, and then you discover how they themselves, they are using this method to make money on Instagram on a consistent basis. Now, what's actually inside Gram Grants? It's actually a complete case study how 6 different marketers use methods to make money on Instagram without spending a penny. You see, inside this course, you're going to get the detailed things, and you don't need an email list to get started. You don't need an email list. You don't need to pay for traffic, as you can see on the sales page. You can actually do this on any niche. You can focus on any niche and start, and you're going to get results. It's easy to do. It's newbie friendly, and it comes with 6 video case studies. Remember, I said 6 marketers are using the same methods to make money, and so you'll be learning exactly how they do this. So it's extremely beginner friendly, and it's backed with real life results, which you're going to see. And all it takes is just about 15 minutes. You set up your account, and then you also begin to get results as they get. So there's a link under this video to to head over to the sales page right here. Once you click on that link, you'll be brought to this sales page where you get access to pick up Gram Grants for less than $10, for less than $10. You get access to this training, and then you'll be able to implement and use the training, and you start getting results on Instagram while you are also doing your social engagements, your social interactions, and then building your profile up into profit. But the main thing is, the essence is, with your Instagram account, you can begin to make money with it. And you can see just 3 simple steps. Once you pick up Gram Grants within the next 60 seconds, and then you get access to the training, and just in less than an hour, you can get completed with the training, and you have your own system completely set up in less than an hour. And then the next is you position yourself to start collecting payments, to start making money straight to your PayPal accounts. Yes, straight to your PayPal accounts. But I have a special bonus for you if you're picking up Gramsland. There's a link under this video. I'm going to post there's inside your delivery page for Gramsland, for Gram Grants. I'm going to include a bonus for you, how you can get massive traffic, thousands of traffic, free traffic right on Facebook. Yes, I'm going to include that inside your delivery grant. So if you pick up Gram Grants through my link under this description video, there's going to be a special, I've packaged something. I've packaged a special bonus for you, how you can get targeted traffic right from Facebook. That's what I use to grow my YouTube channel, to get more views on my YouTube channel, and it's actually working for me. So if you get access to Gram Grants, if you pick up Gram Grants, you're going to get access to download the exact thing I use to grow my YouTube channel, to get more views. At least I've been adding about 3 more subscribers almost in 3 to 4 days. I've been adding subscribers lately since I started implementing this tool I'm about to pass on to you. So go ahead and pick up Instagram. Instagram is a very good resource, a very good place you can use to convert traffic to sales, to leads, and to profit. And that's what GramGlance is going to show you. They're going to show you 6 different methods how marketers are using to make money on Instagram, converting their traffic, their free traffic, which you also learn inside GramGlance, and then you'll be able to make profits with them. So if you're a marketer, you're an affiliate, you're a coach, you are a blogger, you do whatever you do, YouTuber, a dropshipper, this GramGlance is what you need. Yes, it's what you need. It's going to show you how to convert free traffic into profit. So, and there's no need for SEO. You can see there's no need for Facebook, no YouTube, no ad creation, no solo ads, no email marketing. There is no technical stuff inside there. You get access to step-by-step, full training on how you can get into profits using your Instagram without running ads. So go ahead and click the link under this video, and then it's going to bring you over to this sales page, to this page right here, which is a sales page. Then scroll down and then come over here, and then you click on you get instant access to GramGlance, or you can just scroll through and read everything inside on the page, and then you make a decision if this is what you actually need, and then go to the bottom of the page and then go ahead and click and then add the products to cart. So you can see it's less than $10, and then you can pick it up and discover this system. And I'm very sure, and I can guarantee that yes, if you take action, you implement it, you pick up GramGlance and you take action, you set up your account, you also will start getting free traffic. That's the basic. They're going to show you how to get free traffic, huge traffic, and is that traffic, it will now show you again how to convert those traffic into profits, into money. And that's exactly what they do. And this is 6 marketers here. 6 marketers documented their own case study, a real case study from 6 marketers, how they did this, and then how they were actually making real live money with it. So you can go ahead, click on the link under this video, pick it up, and then use it. And if you have any question for me, you can ask under this video, or you contact me on Facebook. I've showed you my Facebook profile earlier on. Contact me on Facebook. I'm going to get in touch with you. I'm going to reply you, and then you can see it's gone to my email address already. How to make money on Instagram. My subscribers are getting this right now, so go ahead and pick it up as well. And when you pick it up, get access to my special bonus on how I'm getting hundreds of traffic to my YouTube channel for free right from Facebook. That's what I'm going to show you inside GramGlance. When you pick up GramGlance, you're going to get a special link to download my bonus. So go ahead and pick this up and enjoy maximum profit all to yourself. You can see how to make money on Instagram without ads. That's a special mail to my subscribers. So go ahead as well, pick this up, and you're going to enjoy what's inside GramGlance, and even more inside my own special bonus, how to make more, how to get huge targeted traffic from Facebook, and then how I actually use it to divert to my own YouTube channel. So go ahead and pick this up and enjoy the profits that comes thereafter. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anaviolore. Remember, if you have any question for me, you can reach out to me on Facebook. You can reach out to me on Facebook right here, John Anaviolore. Connect with me, and I'm glad to connect with you as well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, click on the subscribe button below, subscribe to my channel, and you can actually go and look. I'm going to drop a link to my channel videos, so you can check out my previous videos. There are some free training on WordPlus, trainings, trainings on traffic, on getting more sales, affiliate connection, a lot of things that you actually find valuable. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and I'm so glad you did. Thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavi. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.